Hi everyone, I'm back again to answer another question from a parent. Here's the word problem. Ronald had four times as many stickers as Dex at first. After Ronald gave 65 stickers to his sister and Dex bought 28 stickers, both Ronald and Dex had an equal number of stickers. How many stickers did Ronald have at first? Since Ronald had four times as many stickers as Dex at first, we will represent Ronald's stickers using four equal units and Dex's stickers using one unit. After Ronald gave 65 stickers to his sister and Dex bought 28 stickers, both Ronald and Dex had an equal number of stickers. So clearly, there is a change that occurred in this word problem. So we need to use the before and after model. We will mark the model that we have drawn earlier as before. Now let's draw the after model. It says there that Ronald and Dex both had an equal number of stickers. So I will draw two bars that are of equal size to represent this. The question for this word problem is how many stickers did Ronald have at first? Let's mark the bar of Ronald in the before model with a question mark. The key in drawing and understanding your before and after model is to see the connection between your before and your after model. Therefore, you have to visualize the difference and similarities between the two. So in this model, or in this problem, we said that Ronald gave 65 stickers to his sister. That's why Ronald has less stickers in the after model compared to the before model. So what we'll do here is to draw a long broken line to see the difference between the before and the after model of Ronald. And we will label the difference between the two 65. Let us now look at the model of Dex before and after. Notice that we drew a longer bar for Dex's after model compared to his before bar. This is because Dex bought 28 stickers. So let's draw a long broken line to connect the before and the after model of Dex and to highlight the difference between the two. Then we will mark the difference between the before and after model of Dex 28. This means we can also label that shorter part of Ronald's bar in the before model 28. Now we can already visualize that the three units of Ronald's bar in the before model are actually equal to the sum of 28 and 65. Now let's compute that. 65 plus 28 is equal to 93. Therefore, as mentioned earlier, 3 units are equal to 93. To get what 1 unit is equal to, all we need to do is to divide 93 by 3, and that is 31. So 1 unit is equal to 31. But what we are looking for in this word problem is actually what 4 units are equal to. And we can get that by multiplying 4 by 31. And the answer is 124. Therefore, Ronald had 124 stickers at first. I hope this video was able to prove to you that it's easier to solve word problems if you can visualize what the problem is all about. If you feel like your children or your students need more help in solving word problems, I have the perfect drill book for them. This is the Singapore Math Bar Model Method from beginner to advanced level. What is so good about this book is that it contains QR codes that you can scan that will lead you to videos of the discussion of the word problem examples and the answers to the practice exercises and chapter tests. If you wish to purchase this book, you may scan the QR code right here. For those parents and teachers who want to teach their children or their students Singapore math, I have an on demand webinar on how to teach children Singapore math. This will be focusing on the introduction to Singapore math and how to teach preschoolers, grades 1 to 3, and grades 4 to 5 students the Singapore math method. Another on demand webinar that I offer is the bar model method on demand webinar. Here I'll be focusing on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division bar models. We will solve one step, two step, and multi step word problems. I will also answer frequently asked questions about the bar model method. Interested? If you are, you may scan the QR code that we have here. Have a good day. Bye.